Maintaining commercial and residential properties is essential to ensure their longevity and to avoid costly repairs. Proper maintenance requires a proactive approach that involves regular inspections, preventive measures, and timely repairs. In this article, we will discuss some effective strategies for managing maintenance on commercial and residential property. Conduct regular inspections. Regular inspections are the foundation of effective maintenance management. They help identify issues before they become major problems and enable you to address them promptly. Inspections should cover all areas of the property, including the exterior, interior, and mechanical systems. Exterior inspections should focus on the roof, gutters, siding, windows, and landscaping. Look for signs of damage, such as cracks, leaks, or missing components. Interior inspections should include checking for water leaks, mold, pest infestations, and HVAC system performance. Mechanical systems, such as plumbing, electrical, and HVAC, require regular inspections to ensure they are functioning correctly and efficiently. Implement preventive measures. Preventive measures are measures taken to reduce the risk of property damage or failure. They include regular cleaning, servicing, and maintenance of systems and equipment. Preventive measures can help avoid costly repairs and reduce the frequency of emergency repairs. Some examples of preventive measures include cleaning gutters to prevent water damage to the roof and foundation, servicing HVAC systems to ensure they are running efficiently and to extend their lifespan, testing smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they are functioning correctly, installing water alarms in areas prone to flooding to detect leaks early. Develop a maintenance plan. A maintenance plan outlines the tasks and schedules for regular inspections, preventive measures, and repairs. It should also include a budget for maintenance activities and a plan for emergency repairs. A maintenance plan should be tailored to the specific property and take into account its age, condition, and location. It should also consider the type of tenants or occupants and their needs. For example, a commercial property with high foot traffic may require more frequent cleaning and maintenance than a residential property. Hire professional help. Managing maintenance on commercial and residential property can be a complex and time-consuming task. Hiring professional help can help ensure that the property is well maintained and that any issues are promptly addressed. Professional help can include property managers who can oversee the maintenance plan and coordinate repairs with contractors, maintenance technicians who can perform regular inspections and repairs, contractors who can perform specialized repairs, such as plumbing or electrical work. When hiring professional help, make sure to check their credentials and experience. Also, ask for references and read reviews from other clients to ensure they have a good reputation. Use technology. Technology can help streamline maintenance management and improve efficiency. There are several software solutions available that can help automate tasks such as scheduling inspections, tracking repairs, and managing budgets. Some examples of technology solutions include property management software that can help track maintenance tasks and expenses, inspection software that can help identify issues and generate reports, building automation systems that can monitor and control HVAC, lighting, and security systems remotely. Using technology can help reduce the workload of maintenance staff and ensure that tasks are completed on time and within budget. Managing maintenance on commercial and residential property requires a proactive approach that involves regular inspections, preventive measures, and timely repairs. By conducting regular inspections, implementing preventive measures, developing a maintenance plan, hiring professional help, and using technology, property owners and managers can avoid damage and costly repairs, prolong the lifespan of the property, and provide a safe and comfortable environment for occupants. Remember, the Valhalla Ventures is the real property expert and can help you formulate a plan for your long-term success. This, and comprehensive and fact-based articles like this, can be found at www.reiguideservice.com in the blog section or on YouTube, Rumble, and many places podcast can be found. This information is free and is provided to give real property investment guidance to those looking to expand their circle of knowledge. Thank you for listening.